Did you know Bitcoin might soon reach a staggering $100,000? The upcoming discussions will unveil the potential shifts in the crypto landscape. Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes, where we provide time-saving summaries of the most critical videos about cryptocurrencies.
In today's episode, we'll share insights from leading experts discussing the future of Bitcoin, regulatory shifts, and hot altcoins to watch.
Let's jump right in and uncover what our video summaries reveal about the exciting world of cryptocurrency. First, Tom Lee discusses the bullish implications of Ripple's court win for Bitcoin's price prediction. Next, Benjamin Cowen dives into Bitcoin's struggle with speculation and the Federal Reserve's impact. Crypto Banter alerts viewers to the death cross signal, a potential bearish indicator for the market. CryptosRUs examines Bitcoin's critical price levels and opines on upcoming institutional involvement. The Moon breaks down Carl's trading strategies and optimistic outlook for Bitcoin's price movements. Lark reviews positive job data fueling Bitcoin's rally, but cautions on Ethereum's performance. Coin Bureau highlights top Solana projects set for growth in the burgeoning crypto ecosystem. Finally, DataDash explains the wheel strategy for options trading and its profitability amidst volatility. Welcome to Altcoin Daily. Today, we're diving into explosive insights about Bitcoin. What's the story, you ask? Get ready, because Tom Lee, the co-founder of Fundstrat, is here to help us navigate these turbulent waters.
Indeed, Tom brings a wealth of knowledge from his years on Wall Street, specializing in cryptocurrencies. With his expertise, we're bound to uncover some crucial developments in the crypto space that could shape the market.
Let's get straight to the heart of it. What's the central thesis here?
The core thesis suggests that Ripple's recent court victory over the SEC offers a glimmer of hope for the entire crypto industry, allowing Bitcoin and others to thrive after years of regulatory uncertainty.
Now let's unpack those critical points. What's the scoop on Ripple?
The court ruled that XRP is not inherently a security, which is huge. They were only fined for previous sales, totaling $125 million, indicating no malice or victimization.
Let's switch gears to Tom Lee's analysis. What was his take?
Lee pointed out that the spike in the VIX to 60 reflected panic in the markets, but signs of normalization mean we might be moving past the worst. He's keeping an eye on jobless claims as a vital indicator moving forward.
How about Bitcoin itself? Any notable insights?
Absolutely. Bitcoin is increasingly viewed as a hedge against inflation, and Tom suggests recent sell-offs are actually bull traps. Those who sold are likely feeling the pinch now.
Let's talk predictions. What does the future hold?
The hope is that Ripple's win will push for clearer regulations across the board. This could signify a shift in the SEC's often turbulent stance toward the crypto industry.
Are we expecting more bullish trends?
Definitely. With an influx of capital into Bitcoin, both from retail and institutional investors, the future looks promising, especially as confidence rebuilds in the market.
So, what are the takeaways from today's discussion?
As we've seen, Ripple's legal victory could be a turning point for Bitcoin and the entire crypto space. An optimistic climate beckons more investments and clearer regulations ahead.
And in terms of future regulatory conditions?
Clear rules and regulations will be essential for the crypto industry to thrive moving forward. Let's hope for an end to the SEC's ambiguous tactics.
Welcome back to the channel. Time to navigate through these waters of Bitcoin speculation.
The video dives deep into Bitcoin's price movements and the dubious speculations surrounding its future.
What's the main thesis of today's discussion?
The core message indicates that Bitcoin is in a turbulent state, greatly impacted by speculative movements and critical decisions from the Federal Reserve.
Let's break down those key points. What do Bitcoin's price movements tell us?
Bitcoin currently struggles to break through key moving averages, reminiscent of past death crosses, where the 50-day SMA dipped below the 200-day.
What about the market sentiment and volatility?
Expectations are shifting like tides. Volatility remains high as markets await clear signals from the Fed, similar to the patterns seen in 2019.
And what predictions can we expect looking ahead?
Hindsight suggests September often yields negative trends, making upcoming rate cuts critical to Bitcoin's movements.
Looking into the crystal ball, what are the predictions on the Fed's actions?
The anticipated rate cuts may send Bitcoin on a roller coaster, leading to significant price fluctuations based on market reactions.
Closing thoughts. What should viewers take away from this analysis?
This discussion underscores the need for investors to stay vigilant. Bitcoin's path remains uncertain and heavily influenced by broader economic signals.
Welcome to Crypto Banter. Today we're breaking down some urgent news. We've seen a major signal in the crypto market. The infamous death cross of the 50 and 200 simple moving averages has just fired off.
That's right, it's a significant indicator, and we're here to unpack what it means for investors. With volatility in the air, let's dive into the data.
That's it. We've got a lot on our plate, from on-chain metrics to monthly candles. Let's get straight to it.
Yeah, there's a lot of potential for movement and opportunity here, so stay tuned.
So what's our core thesis here?
The death cross indicates that the market may face a period of heightened volatility. It's crucial for investors to understand potential buy signals or the need to brace for dips.
Let's get into those key points. First off, can you explain the death cross?
Certainly. The death cross happens when the short-term moving average dips below the long-term moving average. Historically, it's been a bearish signal.
What about the current market performance?
Most coins are trying to bounce back, but resistance is palpable, especially around $62,000. It's crucial to watch these levels.
Interesting stuff on-chain metrics. What can we derive from that?
Short-term holders are feeling the pinch with a notable drawdown, which adds to the market's current volatility.
And those support levels, what's critical?
Exactly. We need to hold $58,000 to keep bullish hopes alive and aim to reclaim that 62K mark to signal strength.
What are the growth signals?
An inverse head and shoulders formation is in play, which could propel the price towards $68,000. Watch this closely.
Looking ahead, what are we predicting?
We predict increased volatility. If the market trends downward, the sell-off may escalate, especially among short-term holders.
Any recovery points to consider?
Definitely. Buying opportunities could emerge around $40,000, and historically we might see a market stabilization by late 2025.
So what's the big takeaway here?
The market's unpredictable nature calls for a solid long-term strategy. Staying informed and flexible is key to navigating this space.
Final thoughts?
Stay cautious but watchful. Price recovery is plausible within set targets, so don't lose sight of potential trades.
Welcome back to CryptosRUs. Today we're diving into the ever-exciting world of Bitcoin and its current critical tests.
That's right. Bitcoin is trying to navigate some turbulent waters as it faces new targets and market shifts.
So what's the main point here regarding Bitcoin?
The thesis is clear. Bitcoin is at a crossroads with both challenges and opportunities on the horizon.
Let's break down those price trends, shall we?
Currently, Bitcoin is hovering above $60,000, poised to test the $63,000 mark shortly.
And what about the Federal Reserve's role?
The Fed might start cutting rates next month, sparking liquidity that could elevate Bitcoin's value.
It looks like institutional activity is in focus.
Absolutely. BlackRock's inflows contrast sharply with Grayscale's outflows, indicating a shifting landscape.
What's happening with retail investors?
There's a fresh wave of retail interest, with new addresses climbing again. Good news for the ecosystem.
Let's talk predictions. What should viewers expect?
We could see Bitcoin hit six figures soon, potentially reaching $400,000 by 2025 if trends hold.
What about the predictions for Bitcoin's price?
Expect Bitcoin to potentially reach $100,000 or more by 2025, driven by strong institutional demand.
What does this mean for altcoins?
Altcoins are poised to benefit too, with a rising tide lifting all boats in the crypto market.
So what's the summary take here?
In conclusion, Bitcoin's current phase is pivotal. Investors should stay sharp and ready for action.
Welcome to the Moon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. With Bitcoin making waves in the market, we've got a treat for you today. Joining us is the ever-energetic Carl Runefelt, here to spill the tea on Bitcoin's recent price movements.
That's right. Carl's not just breaking down the charts, he's showcasing some incredible trading strategies and predictions. Stick around as we navigate the choppy waters of the Bitcoin market.
So what's the core thesis from Carl's latest insights?
The key takeaway is that with Bitcoin breaking the orange resistance line at $60,000, It's primed for a significant rally, possibly heading towards $100,000 soon.
What have been some highlights from Carl's recent trading activities?
Carl filled a major price gap in just days, which is impressive. He also secured a hefty profit of $200,000 from this trade.
And what's the next step for Bitcoin?
Confirming 58,500 as new support is critical. If Bitcoin can bounce off this level, we could be looking at the start of a bull market.
What about Ethereum? Is it in the same boat as Bitcoin?
Not quite. Ethereum is still lingering below its major resistance and may dip down to $1,960 before making any significant moves.
How does Carl formulate his trading strategies?
He bases new trades on live market indicators and shares them in his videos for free. No hidden charges or courses. It's all about community and education.
What predictions does Carl have for Bitcoin's future?
He predicts that Bitcoin's upward momentum may just drive its price over $100,000 in the near future, thanks to a positive market sentiment.
Interesting. And what about the impact on altcoins?
Ethereum's performance will be crucial. If it begins to rally, we can expect significant upward movements in the altcoin market as well.
To wrap things up, what's the big takeaway today?
Bitcoin appears ready for a bull run, especially after breaking crucial resistance levels. Keep an eye on that support at $58,500.
Don't forget, he shares these trades for free.
Absolutely. Make sure to follow Carl for all the latest trading insights and continue to navigate the cryptocurrency seas together.
Welcome to Lark Davis's channel on YouTube. Today's thrilling topic: is Bitcoin staging a comeback, or is it just a mirage in the market?
Absolutely. Bitcoin's recent rally has everyone buzzing, and we're diving right into the data behind this wild ride. Buckle up.
So, what's the main takeaway? What really set off this Bitcoin rally?
The core thesis suggests that Bitcoin's surge is fueled by positive jobs data in the US, decreasing volatility, and improving stock market sentiments. A potent mix.
Let's break down those key points. What's been happening in the markets?
Incredible things. The S&P 500 surged over 2%, driven largely by improved jobs data, raising hopes and optimism.
Interesting. What about the volatility index?
It fell significantly, indicating lower fears. This tranquility prompted a rally, lifting crypto along with it.
And how's Ethereum faring in all this?
Not as well. While Bitcoin shines, Ethereum is lagging behind, though meme coins are riding high on trading volumes.
Now, what about the future? Any predictions?
Many analysts believe Bitcoin could soon challenge its previous highs. Just remember, taking profits is advisable when the time is right.
Any other exciting predictions on the horizon?
Yes, with Bitcoin ETFs attracting inflows, institutional interest appears set to drive further growth. Watch out for that.
As we wrap up, what are the key takeaways?
In essence, Bitcoin's latest rally shows market optimism. Yet, investors need to stay vigilant and consider taking profits strategically as the market evolves.
Ahoy there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Coin Bureau's Treasure Trove, where today we're diving into the top 5 Solana projects that might just set sail to new heights.
Let's get straight to the facts. Solana's been a standout performer in the cryptosphere, and while the token's already surged by over 10 times recently, its ecosystem hosts some gems waiting to be explored.
So what's the core of today's discussion? Which projects might outshine Solana itself?
The thesis is clear. While Solana has experienced impressive gains, several projects in its ecosystem are poised for even greater growth and could potentially outperform Sol in the current bull market.
Let's break down the first key project, Helium. What's the scoop?
Helium stands at the forefront with its decentralized infrastructure narrative, boasting a partnership with T-Mobile that has led to impressive user signups exceeding 100,000.
Next up, Pyth Network. What makes it shine?
Pyth Network provides speedy data oracles, crucial for decentralized apps, already integrated with over 400 dApps. It has the potential to hit a market cap similar to Chainlink.
Let's sail through to Gito. What's the highlight?
Gito is the largest DeFi protocol in Solana, boasting over $1.5 billion in total assets locked. It also enhances staking rewards significantly compared to traditional options.
Next is Jupiter, a DEX aggregator. What's their game plan?
Jupiter isn't just any DEX. It offers unique features that could push its market cap to exceed $20 billion, much like Uniswap in previous cycles.
Finally, we have Bonk. Is it just another meme?
Not at all. Bonk is creating genuine utility with its dApps and has even airdropped more value than some of the devices involved.
What are the predictions around these projects?
Helium could soar to $100, positioning it solidly in the tens of billions in market cap if the decentralized infrastructure narrative takes off.
And what about the Pyth network?
If Pyth clears regulatory hurdles, watch for its price to climb to 2, massively enhancing its data utility in the ecosystem.
In summary, what are the main takeaways from today's exploration?
These Solana projects represent serious growth potential, each with unique features and promises driving the ecosystem forward. Time to navigate wisely through this crypto ocean.
Ahoy! Welcome to DataDash. Today, we're about to dive deep into the world of options trading, particularly the wheel strategy. Joining us is Ross, our trading expert.
That's right. Today's video promises to be a treasure trove of tips, especially for those looking to capitalize on the current market conditions. Ready to learn how to handle options like a pro?
What's the main thesis we're navigating today?
Ross emphasizes that while the market faces challenges, savvy traders can thrive using the wheel strategy by strategically buying and selling options. This could be your roadmap to making money amid a downtrend.
Let's break down the wheel strategy. What are its core components?
It essentially starts with selling cash-secured puts. This means you're ready to buy shares at a strike price if assigned. If you own the shares, you then sell covered calls to maximize profit.
What should traders keep in mind regarding current market conditions?
As Ross pointed out, Tesla shows high implied volatility, making it an attractive option for this strategy. But remember, aim for stable companies to avoid excessive loss risks.
And what's the deal with cash-secured puts?
Selecting strike prices correctly allows traders to own stocks they believe in. For example, if Tesla dips, a cash-secured put could net significant returns.
What predictions does Ross make for the market?
He believes that those using the wheel strategy can create opportunities for profits despite potential downturns. Companies will recover eventually.
As we wrap up, what's the key takeaway?
The wheel strategy is about seizing opportunities where others see panic. With smart choices and patience, traders can navigate these waters profitably. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below.
As we dive into these expert insights, it's clear that there are varying predictions about Bitcoin's path forward.
Indeed, while some view the market with optimism post-Ripple's win, others are cautious about speculative volatility and external economic factors.
Let's keep our eyes peeled for further developments, and remember that staying informed is the key to navigating this unpredictable market. Thanks for watching Financial Insights in Minutes for August 10th, 2024. If you'd like more time-saving content, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see summarized, drop a comment below. See you next time.